Hello. So today I'll be showing you how to create a Padlet using your UQ account. So the first thing you have to do is to type in padletuq.padlet.org. Okay, you're going to log in with your UQ email and your UQ credentials. All right, I'm already logged in, but I'm sure you won't have any problems as long as you type in Padlet UQ. Okay, and then just use your normal UQ username, your UQ email. Cool. Okay, so after that, once you open it up, you're going to be on this screen where you just have to click on make a Padlet. Yes, so that's the first thing you have to do. So there's several options that you can use. However, today I'll be showing you how to create a shelf Padlet, which is going to create sort of some columns, okay? Which is usually one of the most common ways of using Padlet for in-class activities. So you click on select, okay? And then it will start creating your Padlet, okay? So the first thing that you have to do is to give it a name. So I usually recommend it to you to put the course code. So I don't know what's the course code, just put it, yeah. And then if this activity is like for week 1, you can label it with week 1 or activity 2 or whatever you want, okay? After that, you can choose an icon. So I will choose an emoji, okay? And it's going to appear here. You can choose whatever you want. There's plenty of options. I go back on the arrow, okay? And then if you want to change the link of your Padlet, you can change it in here. So it doesn't, it's not like this really long and crazy link. You can just say, for example, week 1 activity. I don't know. I'm just creating a really random title. You can put here your course code or your week number, whatever you want. Okay. After that, you scroll down and you can choose a different wallpaper. Yes. So there's some options here on pictures. You can also add your own. I'm going to show you how to add your own. So I'm not happy with these flowers. I'm going to search images, okay? And then I want to search something about the world. So I'm going to type in world. And then, wow, I'm really happy with this image. I can click on that. And then you can see that it's going to change it, okay? So then I just go back again, yeah. And then a few functions that are really important. Attribution. So if you leave this off, you are not going to you're not going to be able to see anyone's name. So whoever posts, it's going to be shown as anonymous, okay? However, if you want to see, people's name, you can just click on. However, it's really important to mention that you're only going to be able to see people's name on their posts if they're logged into their Padlet. If they're not logged in, it will still be anonymous, no matter whether you choose attribution or not. Okay, next thing, if you want comments, I usually recommend it to put it on because then there's like a post and people can add a comment to that, and then reactions. So if you want people to be able to like or to vote or to give a star, you can select it. I usually suggest people for, a really simple activity just to choose the like option because other people can go through that and like it. You go back, okay, and then we should be done. After that, we click on next, and then you're all ready to go, okay? So as you can see here, I'm going to put, for example, list 1, yeah? Or maybe activity 1. I save it, and then I can straight away add another column. So I'm going to put activity 2, next one, okay? And then you can continue and you can add as many things as you want, okay? So this creates like my columns, okay? And then when you have these plus buttons, this is where you create like your post. So you're going to click on that. I'm going to give it a title. This is a video, okay? And I'm going to write the instructions here, so people, I will explain a little bit about the activity, yes? And then what I can do is if I click on this arrow, I can upload a file from my computer. Okay, so I can pick a file. If I click on this, I can add a link, so I can copy and paste a link from the internet. And well, this one here is just search. If you want to search for some videos or images from Padlet, you can do that. For this one here, you can upload photos. You can even take a selfie if you want to, if you enable your camera. And then here in these three dots, you have all of these options and some other options. You have, for example, this one here, which is like students, for example, can record an audio and they can post it in here. They can draw, so this is pretty good for language classes if you want them to draw or to write something, especially when you have characters in languages such as Chinese or Japanese, so you can ask students to draw and to post it. Okay, and then once the post is done, it's very important that you click outside of it. Okay, so as you can see here, this is your post. Okay, and then because we enable the comments, so someone will be able to come here and to add a comment, for example, saying this is great. I don't know. Or like if you want students to add their answers, you can ask them to do that. Okay, and students will be also able to vote, so they can like it as many times as they want. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I don't want to overwhelm you with too much information, so I think this is the basic ones. To finish, I just want you to show you that in this share button, okay, so once you're done to once you've created all your Padlet, what you can do here is that you can just copy the link and share this link with students. So you can just click on copy, and then you can go, for example, on Blackboard and paste this link, and that's it. Once the students have the link, they just click on that and they are able to access this Padlet and they are able to collaborate on that. Okay, well, I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at slcdigital@uq.edu.au. Thank you.